Are you ready to take your earnings from the Vantage app and put them in your pocket? In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps to withdraw your money from Vantage in 2025. Let's dive right in. Start by visiting the official Vantage Market website and logging into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once logged in, navigate to the menu and click on the withdrawal options. This is where the magic happens. A classic choice, but keep in mind it may take 3 to 5 business days. Fast and convenient with similar processing times as bank transfers. E-wallet options Skrill, Neteller, and Apple Pay allowed for most immediate withdrawals, great for quick access for your funds. Cryptocurrency, you can withdraw directly to a Bitcoin wallet, which is processed almost instantly. After selecting your preferred withdrawal method, fill in the necessary details including the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure this amount meets any or minimum requirements. Finally, submit your withdrawal request. You should see a confirmation of success shortly after. Fees. These are the important considerations. Most withdrawal fees are free, but be aware of specific fees for international wire transfer or certain e-wallets. Processing times. While e-wallets can process instantly, bank transfers may take longer, so plan accordingly. Funds availability. Always check that you have sufficient funds in your account before initiating a withdrawal. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, withdrawing money from the Vantage app is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.